I've got company coming over for Sunday dinner, and I don't have to worry about ice because thanks to my NewAir ice maker, I've got plenty of ice. This video is brought to you by NewAir, but I'll tell you more about them in a minute. Right now, I need to get dinner started, and that includes chopping this rosemary. This is going to be a simple but hearty Sunday dinner, which some of you might call Sunday lunch. We are having herb-seasoned turkey breast and roast chicken, rosemary and herb roasted potatoes, sauteed butternut squash, green beans, and bread. The potatoes have already been washed, sliced, and seasoned with the rosemary I chopped on screen. So in the oven they go at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 45 minutes. The roast chicken and turkey breasts were prepared ahead, so today all I had to do was jazz it up with some garlic, rosemary, and a drizzle of honey. One of the things I almost always do, even when reheating, is set the chicken or turkey breast atop a bed of onions, celery, and carrot. That gives me a flavorful broth to use for gravy and dressing. I like to clean as I go, so now that the main part of the meal is in the oven, I'll get the dishes washed up. That way, I'll have an empty sink when company gets here. Now, let me tell you about my NewAir 45-pound portable countertop clear ice maker. And it's not that it weighs 45 pounds, but that it can make 45 pounds of ice. We used to run out of ice when we had company over, so I'd have my husband pick up a bag at the service station, but now that's not a problem. My NewAir ice maker keeps it coming. Once it's plugged in, I can have ice in 15 minutes. It's pretty easy to use. Once we got it unboxed, we set it on the counter for a few hours to let the innards settle. Then I took the ice basket and ice scoop out to give them a good wash with a little vinegar and water solution. Then I wiped it down inside and out before plugging it in. And that's an important safety feature. You want to unplug it prior to cleaning or servicing. And when you do plug it in, you want to plug it directly into a wall outlet. The control panel lights up and the various symbols in the LCD display window indicates on or off, making ice or not, and more. Just press the buttons to change the settings. And here's another important safety tip. Make sure you read the user's manual prior to setup so you know what's what. The first time we ran the ice maker, we poured in a solution of vinegar and water. That was to give the inner water chamber a good cleaning and clear out any residual chemicals from manufacturing. Here's another safety tip. Don't overfill the water reservoir. There's a line inside that indicates where the water level should be. Once the vinegar and water solution ran through, we dumped the ice, and now we were ready to make ice for company, but this time we used spring water. It's full of minerals, tastes good, and makes clearer ice. So whether I'm serving soda or water, I don't get that off taste that you can sometimes get with opaque ice. In case you're wondering why I need so much ice, my husband uses a lot of ice, particularly when he's going fishing. He'll fill up his coolers to keep soft drinks cold and fish as fresh as possible. I find that I've been missing family. Since the pandemic, we haven't been gathering as often as we used to, so I decided that I would revive the tradition of Sunday dinner. That's when families would come over after church, gather around the table, and just enjoy each other's company. The food wouldn't be fancy, but there would be plenty of it, and it tasted good. The drinks on the table were usually iced tea, lemonade, and the occasional soft drink. So that's what we're doing today. Sunday dinner, old-fashioned, hearty, filling. My sister is always the first to arrive. She usually comes in bearing a peach cobbler and potato salad. She'll help set up and then be the first to grab a drink and fix a plate. We serve family style, setting the food on the counter so adults can help themselves and parents can help the little ones. Dinner was just lovely, and when it came time for cleanup, everyone helped, even little Miss Sweet Pea. Granddaddy brought over a step ladder for her to stand on, and I tied an apron around her. She was actually a big help, and I loved listening to her chatter. She clapped her hands and shouted hooray when we were all done. I want to thank NewAir for reaching out to me to share this lovely ice maker with you. They've been kind enough to give me a unique discount code for my viewers where you can get 10% off on purchase, so be sure to check them out. I'll put the link in the description box. But more importantly, I want to thank NewAir for helping me to capture this family memory. This day, this one Sunday dinner, is forever captured on video. It's full of the little things, the ordinary moments that make up life. Nothing remarkable, but certainly memorable. The house is quiet as I put my kitchen to rest. It's been a very good day.